Just a quick video to show you how this works. This one locks your tool in. This one locks it to your mounting base. To take it apart, screw this one all the way up. You'll need to do this every 12 months or so just to clean it out and grease it. Then it can be taken off. And to pull it apart from there, it just comes out like this. Okay, there's your two locking ends. O-rings up here to keep dirt and grit out, bit of grease on it, that's all you need. That's your base plate. There's a T-slot on the bottom and fit in your lathe, locking bolts to tighten it down. That's all good to go.